In this video, I will show you how to use level of detail expressions in Tableau. First, log into your Tableau account. Once you're in, you will see your worksheet or draft. Now, on the left side of the screen, drag and drop customer name into the columns section. Then, drag and drop sales into the rows section to visualize your data. Next, go to the top menu and click on Analysis. And from the drop-down, select Create Calculated field. A pop-up window will appear where you can create your level of detail or LOD expression. Here, give your field a name. For example, total sales per customer. Then in the formula box, type your expression. Once you're done, click Apply or OK. Now you will see your new calculated field appear on the right side under Data. You can drag and drop it into your View or Marks card to display and compare your LOD results with other measures. And that's how to use level of detail expressions in Tableau.